and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So for today's video, I'm so excited about this because I'm going to be reviewing an eyeshadow palette from Mad Beauty. I haven't actually reviewed any of their makeup products before. And my husband actually saw this when we went Christmas shopping at the weekend. And it's this one here. So it's the Gremlins Eyeshadow palette. I love the Gremlins. Gizmo is the cutest thing. I've kind of got a thing about like weird little creatures. And yeah, he's definitely a weird little creature, but he's a cute one. So yeah, so I picked up this. Now I paid £16.99 for this from, I think it was HMV, but I've seen them in Boots as well. So this is what the packaging of the palette looks like. This is just adorable. Absolutely love this. They had other products as well. They had like a really cute shower cap with a massive gizmo on the top and some bath products. I don't think I saw any other makeup products, but they had quite a few like, you know, beauty bits. But one of the reasons that I picked up this palette was the colour story is beautiful, really, really nice. So this is the colour story of the palette here, and I think this is absolutely stunning. Really nice. So we have a lovely ratio of mattes to shimmers in here as well. We've got some really nice warm tones, but a couple of cool ones in there as well. And the shimmers look stunning. It's a typical kind of a Christmassy palette, I would say as well. We've got some really nice reds and greens in there. As I say, some really nice shimmers. This one's very Christmassy, the gold one here. So I'm going to swatch these. Well, these are a bit nice. I wasn't sure what to expect from these, but they're really lovely. The mattes are so pigmented and they swatched beautifully. And just look at those shimmers. What gorgeous colours all together as well. Yeah, really nice. Right, okay, so eyes primed. So I'm going to start off by going into this shade here, which is Gremlin, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. Just look at how nice it picks up on the brush. These are lovely. Yeah, really nice. I did tap quite a lot off of that one. Let's try and, yeah, that's better. Yeah, really lovely. Beautiful pigment. They kind of remind me formula-wise of the Beauty Bay palettes. They're really nice quality. So I'm going to keep taking this through my crease and then we'll go through and blend it with the same brush. I have a giveaway coming up, which is a collaboration with Ulac Cosmetics, who I did recently review, and they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a giveaway for my subscribers, and I was like, yes, please. So that'll be coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that one. It's quite a good one. Lovely. So as I say, I'm going to take the same brush and we are just going to blend that through there. Really nice. I love like a bricky sort of brown shade. And then I'm going to blend the edge of that out using the shade Danger. So that's this one just here. Just going right around the edge of this one. Baby soft strokes, and I'm just going to blend that out. Beautiful. They've blended so nicely, and that colour is perfect for blending out. Right, so then on the outer corner just here, and I'm going to bring it in slightly through the crease, I'm going to go in with a Lovable. So that's this really nice, almost like red. It's kind of like a bit of a berry red, I would say. So this one just here. Oh, nice pigment, really nice on that one. Yeah, that is stunning. Right, so then I'm just going to blend that through again in the crease. Right, so let's go in with some shimmers now. So I think I'm going to go in with a couple of shimmers on the front part here. I say let's go really all out for Christmas. So I'm going to go between Stripe here, this green one, and Midnight, which is the gold. So I'm going to start off with Stripe, I think. So the green one on the centre, and then on the more inner part, I'm going to go on with Midnight. Very nice. So this one, as I say, is going more on the centre. Really nice. It is quite kind of gold as well. It's like a greeny gold. And then I'm going in with Midnight, which, as I said, was the gold one in the corner. Yeah, it actually works. It's not as much of a contrast, if I'm being honest, as I expected it to be. Because, you know, in the pan, this one looks like particularly green. However, it does work quite well with it. I am happy with it. I am happy. As I said, they're just a bit closer in shade than I expected. And then underneath, I'm going to take the shade Gremlin, which was this one here, and just run that underneath my lower lash line. Right, okay, I'm so happy with that. I think that is really nice. Right, so I'm going to wax the mascara on, finish off the rest of my base, and then I'll be back. So here is the finished look. I love this. I really, really do. They do a lot of more kind of Disney princess theme palettes as well. So I'm quite tempted to pick some of those up because if you know me, I'm a huge Disney fan anyway. So yeah, they've just brought out a new Frozen one actually. So I might grab that. But yeah, I think that this is so beautiful, this eye look. It is really nice. It is quite Christmassy as well. It'd be really nice for like a Christmas party or something. But yeah, with regards to the eyeshadow palette, absolutely stunning quality, really nice. As I say, I would compare them to the Beauty Bay palettes, which I also really love. The shimmers, absolutely stunning. The mattes were so blendable, really, really nice, and so smooth and almost buttery as well. So yeah, I will link the product in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes if I can find any as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video, and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!